everybody. Now I'm with Lorenzo, who is working in WEE. Give me some information about this project.
Yeah, so we are a Politecnico team. We work mainly with older broken electronics from the Politecnico, and we donate them to no-profit association and public institutions. And we also make a lot of interesting creative projects, like for example the cabinato that we're showing off here in Politecnico.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I will show.
For example, this is the cabinato. This is an arcade simulator, so we can simulate games from the 80s and 90s. And we made it for the Maker Faire event at Roma that we participated in the last years.
You also gather some electronic parts which is broken or something.
Yes, so we work mainly on old PCs that usually have broken capacitors or traces that need to be recovered. We test power supply units, so we mainly work with testing and repairs of this kind of microelectronics parts.
What is the main object like gathering this kind of electronics or device? Is it related to environment? Or?
Yeah, because we'd like to lower the impact, ambient impact of the Politecnico. So we were created by two professors of Politecnico to lower this impact, to collect a lot of waste that Politecnico is producing, and mainly because that is waste of electronic equipment is very impactful, very harmful for environment, especially if it's not disposed correctly. So we also work with let people know how to correctly dispose of the stuff, and we collect them for the students twice a year, and we make this kind of events.
Oh, great! And also you are recruiting, yes? Could you give information about the recruitment applications?
Yes, we are recruiting, so if you're interested, you can follow us in Instagram at WEEEopen. There are all the information about the departments that you can work in. We mainly search for developers in JavaScript and also PHP and Node.js, if you know these kind of technologies. We work as repairers, so we're searching for people that know how to solder, how to repair, how to test electronic stuff, mainly PC towers and laptops. And we can also search for electronics that want to develop new instruments, new tools to help us with our work.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
For your information. Thank you. See ya.
See ya.
Game over.